Hi guys! First of all, I would like to say thank you to the Lord for another year, another life that gives to me, and of course to my family, to all my friends out there. Thank you so much, and my BBN family and BSFS. I love you all, and this song is all for you. Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the world needs, what I've been dreaming of, and now I know there is nothing that I could not do. Thanks to you, teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I hope for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no fall from grace can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through. Thanks to you. Thank you, my foods, my baby, my jowa, my baby Ina, Kami Kami. Thank you, Bishonet, Yen, Jonat, to all my friends. Hindi ko na kayo maisa-isa. Basta lahat kayo, nagpapasalamat ako dahil lagi kayong naandyan sa akin. Thank you. No time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no fall from grace can stop me from believing that my love will see me through. Thanks to you, thanks to you for teaching me how to live, putting things in perspective, showing me how to give and how to take. No mistake, we were put here together, and if I break down, forgive me, but it's true that I'm making with the love I feel inside. Thanks to you. Thank you. God bless us all. Sa aking mga anak, I love you. Sa aking mga kapatid, kay Ating Nila, Tia, kolega, mother, mommy, thank you so much. I love you.